This lesson is Solve Absolute Value Inequality Part 3. Here I have an example. Make sure that there is nothing here and also nothing here. Then you can drop the absolute value. One more time. Make sure there's nothing here and also nothing here. Then you can drop the absolute value. Okay, so first thing we need to do is move this 4 to the right side. So subtract 4 to both sides, and that will give me -5. Okay, next, this -5, be very careful because it is next to the absolute value. You have to divide. One more time, because this 5, -5 is next to the absolute value. You have to divide. Okay, so divide -5 to both sides, and that gives me +1. Since I divide by -5, the sign is switched. Okay, next, make sure again there should be nothing here, and also there's nothing here where I am circling. One more time, nothing here and also nothing right here. Okay, so now you can drop the absolute value. So -2x, -7, bring down the +1. However, absolute value have the right side and left side. So right side +1, left side -1. Make sure the arrow are in the same direction. Okay, one more time. Absolute value have right side and left side. Right is positive, left is negative. Make sure the arrows right here where I am circling should be in the same direction. Okay, next we want to solve the middle. So take the 7 to both sides, left and right, +7, so that gives me 6, -2x, +8. Next, divide by -2 because I want x to be by itself. So divide -2 to the left and also to the right. So that gives me -3, x, and -4. However, I'm dividing by negative again. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative. Since I divide by negative, this symbol switch, this symbol switch. Okay, now x is by itself, so we are completely done, no more solving. Okay, now use this answer and separate it into 2 parts. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to rewrite it up here. Okay, so separate it right and left. The right side where I am circling, stay. The left side right here where I am circling is being flipped completely. Okay, so again, right side, stay. Left side where I am circling, this is left, flip completely. Okay, so x, and then -3 over here. This symbol is also switch. Okay, so one more time, the right side, stay. The left side, flip completely. Okay, now use these 2 answers to graphs. This is -3, close, going to the left side. So -3, close, negative. This is -4, close, right. -4, close, right. Okay, always to put a 0 in, so that separate the left side and the right side. Left is for negative, right is positive. Okay, and as you can see, this graph has an intersection, has an overlap. So the only answer is in the overlap area, which is -4 and -3. Okay, so this is the graph, this is the interval notations. Okay, so again, make sure when you solve absolute value, make sure that there's nothing here and there's nothing here, and then you can drop the absolute value. One more time, there should be nothing here and there should be nothing here. Then you can drop the absolute value. Okay.